Today is our topic about deriving Kc expression and its units, right? So today you will learn about derivation of Kc expression. So earlier you have studied that rate of forward reaction is equal to directly proportional. So you will start from here. Rate of forward reaction is directly proportional to what? Product of concentration of reactants, CO H2 coefficient will change into this coefficient represents number of moles that will convert into exponent, right? Similarly, when you will convert the sign of proportionality into equality, you will place constant. So rate of forward reaction Similarly, rate of reverse reaction will be directly proportional to its reactants, because backward direction is going in this direction, so these will be the reactants of backward reactions, directly proportional to CH4 H2O, right? Similarly, when you will remove proportionality sign, equal to K of CH4 H2O, right? So at equilibrium stage, as you know, the rate of forward and the rate of reverse reaction becomes equal at equilibrium stage. So rate of forward reaction is equal to, now you will put the values of rate of forward and backward. So rate of forward reaction is equal to Kf CO H2 now has become equal to rate of reverse reaction CH4 H2O, right? You can write this equation in this form also. Kf, when the rate of forward reverse will come to that side, Kr is ratio between the product of concentration of products and product of concentrations of reactants is equal to Kc. So you can write this ratio of rate of forward and rate of reverse as a Kc expression. This one is your Kc value, right? Similarly, now you will come, how can you derive the units for these, for the Kc expression? The first part you have derived Kc value. Now you will come to the second part, derive its units. So as you know earlier, units of concentrations are mole per dm³. Now you will insert the values of all these concentrations in mole per dm³, right? Now come to the point, right? So write the Kc expression here. Kc is equal to CH4 H2O divided by CO H2 thrice, right? Everyone getting? So now you will write its units. So first of all we will write the unit of our Kc value, mole per dm³, mole per dm³, right, for CH4. Now mole per dm³ for H2O divided by mole per dm³ of CO2, and keep in mind that mole per dm³ of H2 have exponent, right? So you can cancel the similar units like this, mole per dm³, right? And the next, the values, the remaining value you will write here, that will be after the cancellation of these units, mole per dm. How many units will remain there? How many units will remain there? One unit will be cancelled, right? And the remaining units will be mole inverse dm6, right? So these were the units that you will derive at the end of this calculations.